Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to prepare okra vegetable. Okra, also known as lady's finger or Bhendi in Konkani, is a high fiber food which is rich in vitamins such as C, K and minerals. It helps to improve the immune system. It also contains beneficial antioxidants and may reduce blood sugar. So this vegetable is easy to prepare. To start with, you need to wash the okra and pet dry them before you cut. So this will ensure that the okra doesn't turn slimy when you cook it. Now, to test whether the okra is good or not, there is a very simple trick. So you hold the okra in your hand and you have to snip off the tail. If the tail comes out easily, that means the okra is good. So let me show you. So with your fingers, just snip off the tail. So if it comes off, that means the okra is good. So let me show you again. So bend the tail. If it doesn't break or bends, then this means this okra is not good. You can discard this off. See, the tail bends. You need to break it. So it's not good. Let me show you again. So try to snip off the tail. If it breaks easily, means it is good. So this is a good okra. Another time, here you can see that the tail breaks off easily. So this is a good okra. So you can also see the color should be dark green. It should look fresh. It should not have any mold, should not be soft or slimy. Now next step is to cut the stem and the tail portion and give them a diagonal cut of around 1 to 2 centimeters as per your choice. This is a very healthy and nutritious recipe, and I'm sure even if you do not like okra, you will enjoy having this recipe. So let's start preparing the vegetable. I've used half an onion diced, half a medium-sized tomato diced, 4 dried kokum shells, also known as bindasola, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 green chili. For this recipe, I'm using around 200 grams of okra. Let's start to prepare the vegetable. I've placed my vessel on the gas stove, and once it is hot, I'm going to drop in around 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Well, instead of oil, you could also use pure ghee, clarified butter, Shuddha Desi ghee, to give it a healthier twist. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to drop in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let the cumin seeds splutter. Next, add in half a diced onion. Stir in the onion. After frying for around a minute, it's time to add in the chopped chilies. Stir this for another 30 seconds. And here I have 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to add in chopped garlic. Chopped garlic is going to give the vegetable a nice flavor. Fry the garlic for around 1 or 2 minutes along with the onions. By the time the onions will turn translucent. When the onions have turned translucent, it's time to add in the chopped tomatoes. So I have half chopped tomato over here. Stir this in and fry the tomatoes for around 1 minute. After which I'm going to add in the chopped okra. Once the tomatoes turn soft, it is time to add in the chopped okra or the lady finger. Stir in the okra so it gets well coated with the onion, tomatoes and the chilies, and it absorbs the flavor. There are many different ways to prepare this vegetable. If you want it to be dry, you can leave it the way it is. But I want it to be a little moist, so I'm going to add in around 1/4 cup of water. The next step is to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this well. Give it a nice mix. going to drop in 3 to 4 dried kokum shells or the binda sola. It is very important to wipe the okra before you cut it, because otherwise the okra will be slimy. Many times people don't like this vegetable because the vegetable turns out to be very slimy. Okra gives out a very slimy fluid when it is cooked. But if you cut it after you dry it well, it is not going to have this slimy texture. So after frying the okra, the next step is to add about 1/4 cup of water. Just a little water. Stir this well and let it cook on medium heat. And I'm going to just add a bit of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. And I'm going to give it a mix. And I'm going to let this cook on medium flame for another 5 to 10 minutes until the okra changes its color slightly, and then the vegetable is ready. So here friends, the okra vegetable is ready, and this tastes very well with chapati or roti. I'm going to have this okra with a paratha. So here friends, I have the okra vegetable and I'm going to eat it with a paratha. This is a very simple recipe, and if you enjoyed watching the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Leave a comment if you have anything to ask for. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video.